In this video, we're going to talk about whether we can do Shopify dropshipping with 3PL services. So, the first thing I want to say is that Shopify does offer 3PL or third-party logistics integrations to streamline your order fulfillment process and improve efficiency. And I'll show you the steps you must follow to set up this integration and start using your 3PL services with your Shopify store. So, step 1 is to set up your order fulfillment. And you can do this by first logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, and you have to navigate the settings section, and then you must select order fulfillment and choose your preferred method. Now, there's 3 options that you have. The first one is in-house fulfillment, okay, which can be automatic or manual, as you can see here on the screen. The second one is simply dropshipping, and the third one is third-party logistics, which is exactly what we are looking at right now. Now then, you must choose the 3PL fulfillment, so you have to select the 3PL option for order fulfillment, and then you will need to connect your Shopify account to the 3PL system. Now, you have to follow the prompts to integrate your Shopify store with the 3PL's technology. This connection will allow your orders to be automatically sent to the 3PL service for timely fulfillment, okay? And both you and the 3PL will be able to monitor inventory levels in real time. Now, once you complete these steps, your Shopify store will then be integrated with a 3PL, which will ensure smooth and efficient order fulfillment. However, I have to warn you that when partnering with a 3PL fulfillment center, it's important to ensure they can integrate with your existing systems for seamless operation, because if they don't, you could be in a bit of trouble and it's just a hassle and it's not worth it. So here's how to set it up. First, you must ensure that 3PL can integrate directly with your Shopify account. You can Google that, whichever 3PL service you're using. I'm not sure which one you're using, but Google it or ask their support if they can integrate directly. Now, this will allow you for automatic order processing, updating order statuses, and efficient management of your store. Then, your 3PL should sync with your inventory management system, and this will be able to maintain accurate stock levels and avoid overselling or shortages, which is never good for your dropshipping store. Now, step 3 is you have to make sure that 3PL can integrate with any additional software you use for order processing, tracking, or customer service to maintain a smooth workflow. So in case you're using any other services for order processing, let's say Spocket or something like that, you have to make sure that your 3PL can integrate with that as well, not only with Shopify. That's the 4th step now. Now, if you use an existing warehouse management solution, you must ensure the 3PL can integrate with it. If not, most 3PLs provide their own WMS with space to manage your inventory effectively, okay? So be aware of that. And some 3PLs even offer direct integrations with Shopify for essential tasks like marking orders as fulfilled, handling refunds, and tracking inventory levels. So it's important you choose the correct 3PL for you. Now, these features will be able to, these features will be critical for scaling your e-commerce business and keeping your customers satisfied, which at the end of the day is very important if you're doing e-commerce and dropshipping in general using Shopify stores. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out and explained what you had to know. And if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.